We're Brondell. We've been around for 18 years, focused on health and wellness in the home. Our first products were bidet products, and these are our latest advanced electronic bidet toilet seats. What's unique about these products is we actually have a 99 millimeter profile on this. It's one of the thinnest fully featured bidet seats on the market. And that has features like warm air dryer, heated seat, unlimited hot water, water pressure, sprayer controls, all controlled with a wireless remote control, or in our sister product, a sidearm control. And that will be available in the next couple of months, arriving for $5.99 retail on the remote and a little bit less on the sidearm control.
It won't be available on anything?
It will be available pretty much all retail partners, so HomeDepot.com, Lowe's, Costco, Amazon, and Brondell.com.